Design with Emma. Let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision. This is Living the Outdoor Life Home Series. It is hosted by myself, Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Our co-host, our Home by Design with Marilyn, and Joyful Decor by Denise. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Living the Outdoor Life. And what I'm going to show you today is how I've added shade and privacy to my pergola. Now, I did at one time just have curtains on the back side of it, but what I've done now, I've added the curtains all the way around for complete privacy and also complete shade. So I have them here in the front, as you can see, where I can close them off from my sitting area. And this gives me complete privacy and complete shade at a budget-friendly price. I also went back in and I rearranged the furniture. As you all know, I had separated it into two sofas. Well, I decided I didn't really like that styling, so what I've done, I went in and put it back into a sectional, but I did something a little different this time. The end seat I added as like I have my book in here. I also have a tray with my drinks and my champagne. Now, what I'm doing with this, I'm using it as a table, but it's also a stool, a footstool. So that's what I've done differently. I came back in, I put all the pieces together, and then here on the end, I decided to try something different. I do like this. I went in and put the tray here with my book and my glasses. So here I just went around with all of the white drapes. On the back side, what I did, I added the white drapes on the end. In the center, I added the sheer. And now you can see on this back side, what I've done also, I've added the sheer curtains because the back of the house is here, so that blocks out a lot of that sunlight, and I have privacy from that side because it is the back of the house. Now, I also went in and added the drapes here on each side, as I said, to give me privacy. So I'll let you take a look at this rearrangement here. I've brought over my lantern from Hobby Lobby, and I put it here in the corner. I also have added my two black vases from Hobby Lobby here beside that lantern. In the bottom, I have an orb from Value City, and I added this clock from Goodwill. I placed the flower inside of it. Now, let's talk about my TV stand. Well, I did put that together. It's actually not a TV stand. What I've done, I've taken two of the stools that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I put them together, and I took this plank that I had, and I added to it the covering that I purchased from Goodwill. It was black and white, so I just wrapped that around that plank. I did go in and add a TV out here simply because now I have it all closed in, and the TV that I used to watch over here is a little out of reach when I close the curtain, so I brought a smaller TV over here so I could have. Now, on the bottom, I'll show you a few Goodwill finds. This beautiful plant in that little vase is a Goodwill find. I did add my fan. You see the cute little fan? I added it there. I can swivel it back and forwards, pull it out. I also have this plant from the Goodwill, and what I've done, I've just added it into this beautiful little pot. So this was a Goodwill plant, but it was just not in a pot. It just set out separately. So what I've done, I've taken it and put it in this planter, which made it beautiful, I think. And I just set it over there by my fountain. Okay, so let's talk about my coffee table. I did go ahead and change it a little. I have my coffee table book here with my squares and my little tic-tac-toe. Of course, I've left my little fire pit here. I've added the 2 oils from Value City, and then what I've done, I've made just a little planter here, and I've added different flowers to it. So these are the changes that I made. I decided what I wanted was a whole lot more privacy in this area. So I decided, well, there's only one way to get it, and that was to add the drapes all the way around. And not only does this give me privacy, it definitely gives me shade around the complete pergola when I close it completely up. Now, the sheer curtains here, I don't know if I told you, I did purchase those from Amazon, and the drapes were also from Amazon. So if you're looking to make your outdoor living area to get the shade and privacy that you may need, I suggest checking out Amazon for these outdoor curtains. And they are, you can see through them a little, as you can see through here, but they are weatherproof, and they definitely do what you would need for them to do. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for hosting with me on Living the Outdoor Life. I will be leaving her information and all of the creators who are participating today in Living the Outdoor Life. I want to thank the design family, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. You all hold on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come back and give you that night view. This is Emma. If you would, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my rearrangement of my sectional here, and also creating shade and privacy all the way around my pergola. I also, again, thank you to the design family because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma. I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video. Wait for the night view.